This is Lisa from Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting. Today I'm sharing an organizational tip that I will be utilizing with this year's Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog 2021-2022. As you know, our stamps have gone to being photopolymer, which means that you can see straight through them, and I just love that. Now, many of these stamp sets have coordinating dies, and guess what? Over the years, I've amassed quite a few stamps and die bundles. Before, I stored my stamps in a separate container and my dies in another. Now, I need to rethink my process because I'm running out of room. So, I'm going to be using magnetic vent covers, which I've used to make individual die layers to store the stamps and dies in the same container. Here's one I've already done. This is the Wildcat stamp set, and the coordinating dies are the Big Cat dies. And what I've done, here are the stamps on one side, and the dies are on the other. I love how Stampin' Up! Now has the pictures printed inside the case, so you can quickly see if you're missing a stamp. So now, when I close this, I have my stamps and dies together. Easy peasy. Now, these are the magnetic vent covers. These are from Frost King. You get a 3-pack for $6.85, and they are 8 inches wide, 15 inches long. And from this 3-pack, you can get 9 die cut layers or magnetic layers for your dies. So it's great value for your money. I know you can buy these on the market, but I want it to be a little bit more practical. So I'm going to show you what I did. This is just really quick and easy. I'm going to be using the Hats Off bundle. And this is the one that has the hat that you can customize it, and it has several sentiments in it. You're the best. Here's to the next adventure. To the guy that wears many hats, go get him, Tiger. I'm your #1 fan. I mean, you can make all kinds of hats with this stamp set. These are the dies, which are the hat builder dies. Now before, as I stated, I would have put my stamp in one area and stored my dies on a magnetic sheet in a different area. So now I'm going to put both of them together. Now I've already taken the stamps off of the paper that comes with this. And I love this, again, that you can match these stamps. You quickly see which stamp is missing. So the last one I had to do was the hat itself. I love this project because you won't waste anything. So I'm matching the hat to the inside of the case. Alright, so I have my stamps in. Now, you're going to end up with this window sheet that's left over. Save this. You can make shaker cards, a lot of different pop-up cards with these window sheets. So again, this will not go to waste. Now, I've already cut one of my magnet sheets. This is cut at 4 7/8 by 6 7/8. So what I'm going to do is take the coordinating hat builder dies and place them on the magnet sheet. And there's no particular order that I'm putting these in. I am keeping the ones that kind of layer together. And I just dropped my fish. It fell behind my desk, so I'll have to get that one later. Okay. Now I have my dies on. Now, you could adhere this down and close it, but I really didn't want the dies to smash into my photopolymer stamps. So what I'm simply going to do is take this and slide this into the cover. Like so. Look at that. Then I'm going to take the instruction sheet that came with it. It has the Hat Builder's Dies name on it and the product number. I'm going to take that and slide it in the back of the case. And then there you have it. Your stamps and dies in one case. You close this up. There are your stamps. Here are your dies, your photopolymer stamps, and information about your dies all in one case. Now you're probably wondering, well, it comes in this plastic container. What do I do with that? Well, for my Wildcats one, in some of the designer series paper, I was able to die cut some of these cats and tigers out of the paper. I'm storing my extra pieces in the plastic storage container that it comes in. So again, nothing is wasted. You can use this piece for storage. I lost my little plastic die sheet. It's hiding from me. Oh, here it is. You can use this for shaker cards and different other kind of pop-up cards, so nothing is wasted. I hope you liked this video. If you want to see any more of my other projects, you can visit me at peanutsandpepperspapercrafting.com. You can shop with me at www.lisaflemming.stampinup.net. You can find me on Instagram at Peanuts and Peppers Cards, and you can also find me on Pinterest and Facebook at Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting. Thank you for stopping by, and happy stamping.